there, beauty lovers! Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wanted a blush that can give you that perfect natural flush with the added benefit of being buildable to match your mood or look? Well, today we're talking about something that's taken the beauty world by storm, the Tarte Blush Tape Liquid Blush. This product has quickly become a fan favorite, and I can see why. It's a luminous liquid blush that promises to give you a radiant flush of color with a buildable formula, making it versatile for both light, everyday looks, and bolder statements. Let's dive into how it really performs in real life so you can decide if this is the blush you've been looking for. First, let's talk about the packaging. The Tarte Blush Tape comes in a sleek, easy-to-use tube with a convenient doe foot applicator, making it really easy to apply directly to your cheeks without any mess. The size is perfect, not too bulky, and great for tossing in your purse for on-the-go touch-ups. It's definitely designed to be travel-friendly, which we love. Now onto the formula. This blush comes in a berry shade that offers a luminous finish. The texture is lightweight and glides on smoothly without feeling sticky or heavy. What I really love about this product is that it's buildable. So, whether you're going for a subtle natural look or something a bit more intense, you can easily layer the product to your liking. It blends out beautifully, no streaks or uneven patches. As for the performance, I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I can say that it's long-lasting even through a busy day. It gives a healthy glow that doesn't fade quickly, which is a must for any blush in my opinion. The luminous finish is definitely noticeable, but it's not over the top, so it's great if you prefer a more natural, radiant flush. The only downside I've noticed is that the product can be a little tricky to control when you're applying directly from the tube. Sometimes I end up using a little more than I intended, but once it's on, it's easy to blend and adjust. So just be mindful of how much you're dispensing. Let's talk value for money. At its price point, the Tarte Blush Tape is definitely on the higher end for a blush, but considering the buildable coverage, longevity, and the quality of the product, I do think it offers solid value. If you're someone who likes a luminous, long-lasting blush that delivers buildable color, then this could be worth the investment. Compared to other liquid blushes on the market, this one stands out with its luminous finish and buildable coverage. There are some cheaper alternatives out there, but none that seem to have quite the same glow factor as this one. Of course, if you're on a tight budget, you can find similar products for less, but you might miss out on the quality and the consistency this formula provides. As for packaging and build quality, this product definitely lives up to Tarte's usual high standards. The tube feels sturdy, and the applicator is both precise and easy to use. In terms of longevity, it's performing well for me, and I can see it lasting quite a while, given how little you need for each application. I haven't needed to reach out to Tarte's customer service yet, but the brand has a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful, which is always a plus if you ever have issues with a product. If you've used this blush before, I'd love to hear about your experience. Drop a comment below and let me know if it's been your go-to or if you prefer something else. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you're interested in picking up the Tarte Blush Tape Liquid Blush, you'll find the link in the description or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.